Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WhatsApp security. In this video, I will show you the best way to secure your WhatsApp account from hacker. Let me show you how. One of the first way is that go ahead and open up your WhatsApp app. After open up your WhatsApp app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots from the top. Then go ahead and hit on settings. Then go ahead and simply click on privacy. Then scroll down right here, all the way down. Go ahead and click on privacy checkup. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on add more protection to your account. Best way to secure your account is to make sure you turn on two-step verification to your WhatsApp account. Then the second method is to make sure you secure your WhatsApp account with a passkey. Lastly, make sure you add a recovery email account to your WhatsApp account. So if you have not enabled these three buttons right here, make sure you work on them one after the other. Step 1, open up your two-step verification. So when you open up your two-step verification, what you need to do right here, from your own end, make sure you turn it on right here. Once you turn it on, you'll be asked to enter 4-digit PIN that you will always remember each time you want to have access to your WhatsApp account. Register with the PIN that you will always remember. And then once you turn it on, it's going to turn to the turn off right here, which means that you're going to have this particular batch right here, which means that you have been fully secured by two-step verification. This is one of the best ways to secure your WhatsApp account. Then the next one right here is passkey. Passkey is another method that you can use to secure your WhatsApp account in case of login and possibly protection. Access WhatsApp the same way you unlock your phone with your fingerprint, face, or screen lock. So if you have not added a passkey to your WhatsApp account, just go ahead and click on add a passkey. Then once you click on add a passkey, enter your lock screen or passkey that will enable. Once it's enabled, you're going to have password manager right here, just like what you see right here. I've already enabled my passkey right here, which allow only me to have access to my WhatsApp account. So this is the second thing. If you have not enabled your passkey, go ahead and make sure you click on add passkey to your account. Lastly is this particular one right here, recovery email address. Recovery email address is another essential to secure your WhatsApp account, because should in case you have issue with your WhatsApp account, WhatsApp can send a verification code to your active functional recovery email address. It's that simple. All in all, make sure you enable these three methods. With that, your WhatsApp account has been fully secure. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about WhatsApp topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.